conducted at the former Bank of Ghana governor's residence was approved by his office. Katache free fana national security operatives I some journal almost fano to protect him. They had intel say a branch no numre no ano na nipa bonfo bi bitima ha no eti omoko fa no sa no a ebeye dede say national security for afano no. They repelled the attack and nipa bi anu person ko ene bone no and na ama NCA ne bi busa say na nipa be ene bone I don't know mja man ko do fie and this time around ko fie no na police for kan ho ana. Did they give him a police escort to take him home? Obi a yepe na kuno makochi no se mo bon ho ba ya mugya no momo protect no na de cha no pa ma na ko na mama no police protection anadwuma na se be ni ya wana se ma make no me nya IGP Christian Yohunu say regional police bureau for mungo kasa ati ye jeno
involvement and accountability in our service delivery. A well-tested approach ensures police legitimacy and builds public confidence. This is where your significant role as public affairs officers in fostering positive interactions with the public becomes essential and directly impacts police effectiveness. Ladies and gentlemen, it is on this premise that the current police administration, under my leadership, will reactivate and invite all regional police public affairs offices to interact and meet the evolving demands of our society and media partners. Over the years,
say any say basa and was a condemn a soldier for no so anama omu 2 year na nyame anim ni odo sa kan soldier ni dia collateral damage no if chap ko ba bia my security expert me boa asem no about the tough
packet to abeje kese one respective uniform ne dia
GBC under Professor Amin. It's a crime scene.
And yes, I'm a Sikabi a bias or Makobo all African.
I said GBC under Professor Amin is a crime scene. Over your press conference. I say
who is your any war.
Almost to my pension, the many man.
Almost catch on my pension, Mama said, Papa, we.
So what's the crime scene? The other to come.
So what's Ghana a crime scene? Brother, a crime scene, Papa, with Oh my goodness, gentlemen, the issues are on the floor. I'm starting to ask something with you.
Oh my, I just have for the Nona. I have a panic in your hand. We share the air consona.
You have to say. Ejabito ato edum hifa
almost hello
FM
abosana udu
they try hello FM so
almost see muni
ya na almost see the mono no
ufura na akọ
ejanu
ejanu
that's the way the fire service for be bro
fire service for say already omo be 4 tenders but they are calling for additional ones
almost all the 2 buildings so
yes electrical and yaman and egu esro ho
hello blazing fire
serious akonda
anopeya enti ye ka say
egu so enti na on say fire service for no pen o ma betwa mo ye
oh yeah na ho kira bank for among for hard works. Do we have somebody there?
Well,
yes.
Ken, letter Ken or around.
Yes. Ken or around. Oh, my friend of mine, goodness me. Oh. Jesus Christ. Ehu. Oh. Little King. Hello, Little King.
Omanhene Yaw Boakye.
Necessary.
Boko Papa.
Me no ka say wo gyina he.
Mr. Hello FM. Area hona. So abosan ufe so na oba FM. And some was another blood na airport forced to run about. I will kill it the hump today.
Na ejai de ebrebe no mo se ase.
Almost say our matu no mind and a general status say but o man for the serious. It will you say a blast it. I'm a totos so also hello babu sanoswa. I was saying was a quaint and Tamukaka.
Yes.
Sam Basano and a jato start them to one move.
And the blessing and I saw the other one. Hey,
stores are still our normal. And that's some
Ketwa.
I'm a stores no Metino. South stores and the meeting up about double. It is
I was a Ketwa so everyone a cheap.
But I say,
railways no stores get me one a cheap every.
Aha, I almost went out.
I was a jato.
A jato.
Hey,
it's on my sir.
not just only what
do you
child when who
for no so much there? A job to my point. I don't send.
That's it. Hello, bro, son. Come on, moment, I'm ready. Jabet matum.
So my Kenya, a gentleman, but my Adea couldn't say situation when we came here helicopter. Not take you over the situation.
We can
first time for that who are James say no, and yet enough to be no. There were fire service cars, Makuma call for the war. Now for one war, James 8 minutes. What's up, Rosano, and what 80. So no more continue free from no control. And I'm so to be neutral. That is the situation I say.
Jabina, median Kitwana go from Hono. And Kitwana watch on the nearby woman. I want bad. Listen, near Maniamano.
Aha, oh my situation, woman. So be a first and one was open in our woman, a journey to the moon. Anna asked for no, why as the most that way I know. Oh my, sir, and I was a wire sleeping illegal. Precacy, you won't have I'm not doing. And I asked for no, first days the break, so I was silent. And no, I got them on. Aha, and I was just saying, teacher, I may just into my situation, a woman said, I'm not doing. Send a person first one to and come, nothing can inform us about my stores. No more, woman, a debit to my show, money stores. But what did I say? Robert, all you in money be? I be my bow, all you, Muniama. Our bow stores, you, Muniama. About fire from situation, a helicopter, can to my pumping from and a carbon dioxide of free instrumental. Now, any part don't have a go. Any part of good and any packet, no, for me now, there, the cap. And you also confirm away. It's a first and for now, yeah, fire, sir, or more, you know, maybe it's my show, but the end to know. A shop for cabin at the pet. You just see a blasting, you know. Answer the bomb water. Answer furniture for the moon, the moon. It's the book gas, no me a day, and you know, no be an credit, and never says a woman in your market. If you are my video, Sunday. It will be to be at
TV no so kura na wo kasa ye dey ato TV no so. Oh, this is too bad.
Empire aye bonus my for hello for abo sign no. Manka for
atamfo de no e na akosi agyeman.
Ai, ni nyina e jato.
E na
esiko otu so run about pressure.
Na say esiko run about ho.
But eto de mitiri
eshibanti the esiko ti say hello hono you safe. Esiko say
esiko can't run about.
Can't run about hono.
But right after hello after the boss
you know and I had but I think sir the upper roof no first floor no the last floor no I should cry but first and second no na almost saving
my father make us say I suppose to run about
na so mbe kwa akogina ho Ghana a firefighting there wo she yaw she New York die ele die eja she kro nyina ekrai na kwa ya mu kwebe she Yaw, this is serious.
Ochimpeni for Guinness Adea Bisu said the rate at which I see Abusa atenti office a fire service for no only Akadia said Ombetimi dia fro soro ho the only thing they could do is ombegina from because cars say name no top down that time what no and then you see a guy to so 5 10 20 near the ade wo kroma say me wa fire service and yema mo nyina no nyema nketen a edentia any jam nketen no mutimi edusoso ano enti we akonta atwe we kry abose to aso miensa ne yentimi yo 3 story na yentimi yo na ne akota nuamanfo si cement die 10 ani wan amanfo si ni enei no airport hey any ade akonta is about time yentan wo mo hwade ni bio bo ade eja da your friend say third floor akota almost third floor ni na asegere be
is gone now even second floor it may depend on the hardware that are there because maybe cry ejana anko musie ni niam e be ko ni aniam no bebre ho no ma be say
na asante ka bebi senka fire service no betimi akọ hello building ni mo ayesi akodan se edan de eja kanoa
na ejiri
na ho oden
udi agrebe
eni ade ne yekromazi akonta se ne esisi yedan no as to say e makwan ma one standard for no be check se dan no ebi
quantity surveyors
one ne sane mane no enti your first for so mo insurance bia and the only thing they could do
man must eat
why is a man must eat or you want to survive yes it's
this is a sad comment
Arahosem pa
too much
and Akota this place is the real Edumo
they are the friend of central business
this place is the real
Edumo so a die way me no
it is the real
Edumo ne near me woman and also little kin and small can be machine or see and kitwa be watch on e ja tomu hoso enti de ye wi no ye nkwa kire wo
e ho fansa so no be de nom do mu kana ko wa ho
eno ne agrek
uza hoso so
na chi ho
slam this
pata osi ja to hoso
akonta eno ne as ho de be de na fansa for no
ho de ye hu kra
ko wa ho sa rains ni so ho no mu no on be de nom do mu
we ye
nimu ne ehu ni sei
we SAT any peasant opposite chaish tekno no boho tekno
me kai samre na akonta wadamfo pasha munchi
pasha
na o shop bi wo
pasha kwa shop pasha the hello from hello building
okay pasha
hello building
yes pasha
hey pasha
nomune
pasha munchi
one shop near friend China house is China
house so na shop say go on there yaw
akonta semasi o
shops are deeper Kumasi. But also, so much to be so strong there. But we ever say the building is not safe anymore for habitation. And you know, authorities, regional minister they should not allow people because why you say yes, yes, run kwana say you be amount for better from that we wanna cable in. Because heat a cancer and I can't they have to rake everything down if they allow people to stay there.
Already. Fire service for no other security agencies, no police, military for no. So much and common
almost so people they don't go. But why wouldn't the fire service also call them for enforcement?
At this point today, fire service
no, but what I'm saying is that anytime there is this fire issue, the police, even for raiders, for looters,
yes,
also BBC about fire service for no you will have people omobe koso omuko lutu and crofonia money and also so they are to bottom no fan kwa it is somewhere the police presence is needed.
The another day so also omoko nene chire yasi see also omoko ye ambulance yodu ono ma yabona mani ofie akotade ne
yesi obedu anu chache
be for mu honti nipa no onuru shop afa kura na bi akọ beko wondru hono mu buebu
wode be chache
no wakwa komuna hwenti ambulance for no so ebemben hono mu ebeboa
on say yaw we ye coordinating a you. Yes, I was say the okay.
Yes,
asem kese pa that bena ka fire service to
na ambulance
na police
na bi omunia no military na
ground on standby. They will not do it. Elections the on better say
mo and about military for so fire tender ni bi o almost so ye training omo they can go and support omunia no fire service for
because woni ma there yaw
omo timi de omo tender
fire service for you say onim say omo ye training omo on first aid pa
yes
and it's an accident is here.
Yes,
you afraid police
or say afraid fire service.
A major accident you call the police they don't know even how to handle person nipa no onim say that MPP accident is here ye the be kema yiku omo
bebre yes I pra omo kra more
only the planning period no but a fire officer will come. They know when to hold the head or naked. Omo money enya internal bleeding.
I dey adwin say jambo no dey omo
fire service
say
and never fire service for your children enya bi ni police ni military about the human aspect of it by any eto obu BBC accident here no afraid police. So the police for people we are friend on fire service for no do no akofa tape
this
but I think so by this time it's a little the latest video why
no answer the panel see mercy fee me the man and them are do what there I say inform
so now
and in a so one say I'm on for me say explosive whatever and I say electrical
it's electrical near no ego
who was if you no say what there will be so high you and found so we are exposing your own fire house I don't know the problem no share Ghana ha say obi hand obi see abosan Once musi wo mukoko d'Ivoire ho abosansi wa oman esu nyina amanfo ahan gidi yomri adwuma ba Ghana nkwa na ahan form 1-2 esro no na da ho na amanfo na warehouse enema odi gu ho no fie wari nim but yetimi se bianka e bia efom ye ton we esro ye ton we efom ye enke beti ma hihya ma on mi se me ko second floor me ko
we say over corner be warehouse
Whatever warehouse.
Shops
last floor
warehouse. Obu a ne cupboard. Obu on my hand or the oil. The one explosion no a jump tom sa explosion is something.
Ebi na si kono ngudie. Ama eno na explosive. Enema a edi tu galamsey ni sa no e na jato.
Na
so
yaw yes oduma say
no
side say unko akro ni nyina eko
appear to second number 2
the korongo oduma say
say si oduma say
okay
two standing up to any say ya
one side ni nyina
right no just a honum
clear ni nyina
nya na meka ya na no honum na pani ba ko frɛ me a na member of parliament
honorable come here
or calling for truth to say no near.
Okay.
Na go to kwan.
Okay.
E to pam chew.
Me te so no kra na so ntia po bi.
Ai tino nya say bia no ha no yi nani. Because na me ani I wasn't happy say.
It's true.
I buy no $420 million say you fan come akosombo victims. I have a G get to south. You chop 200 million say for more victims. Na konongo duma say explosive we see. To say apiate there nobody's talking about it. But Matizia say MP na issue statement on it. But to what extent and I buy betimi akoboa regional minister 5,000 or they come my home no. Why any family na more than beso but and yet to send national 420 million Ghana cedis akosombo victims just
to man every send am be
na Asante region Konongo 1 cedi yes nipa sate nipa sa
and me boy say
nipa shit and all these things went on it's as if it's at the blind side of the government which is sad. Adea Akye Abia, the quantum of money that is lost here.
Adea so aye kan sa uzi ekuroma say so no so si abrosan net to aso be 3 a free first floor no now they call second floor ne third floor ne wosoro no unse Ghana for yempa abrosan so ade to it is usi store net to aso more than 2 kura no a if you saw
ground floor first and second third floor go be
if you more second no crowd no more
third floor your offices
mo abo say deep say
aje mo na say
one there in office but say crowd the apartment abo say third floor hoko no the aye apartment because ye kroma say no abrosa no soro ho no no omfro
na dum susubu okra na abusua no
mo
ni bakro no dia no esoro ho no wasia mabusia no na busia no te ho
enti na ma akota doom stores no bebre na eto aso 3 enko 3 no na fa manfo nje ntubo se fiewura no ene oba na se bia o mi wo me ne mpese me de gusuro
no dia warehouse
na adani warehouse azati to na kwa ko dani warehouse
ya wasem kese na aba no
asem kese pa
ade o ebu otbi se abusuan bebre omo
bo fom
omo nsori bio
it's true akonta
abusuan bebre beto fom obu wonu ma ni wiase nyina die
na think say am is the time say wow we dey dan stores ma ha won ni konye ma ni pani bi go won ni konye ma ni pani bi
ara wo sam say dan ai
o se me tontade afentade no de begu wona konta nko no bi aka chense ke fa ayi mobile phone accessories
what's that Ghana kuma say moving
oba register on so de
atade ko yi na ko he
mo mi ya de hoton
ko registrar general
mo agota
obusa say the company le was general goods
mo
general goods
ya go my sons o ton de
general goods
general merchant
they I was here for your daddy and one by the tip of the medieval. This is Friday special. Stay with us.
Non son apa on se mai do na fe na brasa so se and if you are pay live on Sompa TV, live on Sompa 93.1 FM, and if you live on Sompa 93.1 FM on Facebook, ya sabe tunazia ya the tip of Juma Deneba in the next 30 minutes. A good one sama ya bwano ya mamnu nkofo koso ni adeba ya femi sinko di mawi ya no pay Mr. Wakadaro manote chia na no pay ya betunazia den 70p ebremo ewo Juma Denu so ya shasia na ya shen samana sile through the Blasters of Ghana on se nyankopon ya aduma enen anadwi ukopemo the nations Wembley Accra Sports Remeo ana on micro Ghana any Chad ebo ewo World Cup qualifier di cinema any game kutu akra na out of game eba so nyankopon ya aduma na anadwi no yam for to say enu na the Blasters of Ghana na yo mala strain na nya gokra na mamin for to say coach Otoado ana fe the captain offense Jordan Ayu omon na bo modern Asian Central for Emra omodin sempi tuga na coach offense Otoado say Ghana for ni na no monyim tumna monfanshe mutim say Ghana AC akan bia say yewini a omani na na wini ana say yedin kuku anase yelususu a ye ina na yetimelusu yenten sama coach Otoado ahead of gamer yani chat airboy na no what it
chances and give the guys the belief, and for this I'm responsible for this for sure, but I also need you guys and need everybody, and like I said, I really want to thank you for the support the country has given so far. I mean, the president of the country, what do we want more as our support? And the sports minister came to ensure us that he's totally behind us, and we had a lot of positive talks also with media, and really happy and looking forward for that game. And I know.
Yes, I know any sama coach Otoado on your coach Adama the Blasters of Ghana. Or they two anime na pay te one sama mo dwumade so na ne nkomodie na odi tu gese nyanya nukra ni Ghana enye ebobre kra na ase Ghana panka bia ye bo of 2025 for Morocco Ghana ntimi qualify afi World Cup qualify say ebokra no anza du ba bia Ghana kra timi struggle ansa na wini amte ojide pass Ghana enye ebobre na enti coach Otoado,
which is very important after these losses, and look on the areas where we can improve ourselves. But surely, like I said, it's not only on me, it's first it's the players, but also it's the whole environment. And I'm very, very happy, like I said, that we have a positive, even though we played very bad, and I really want to apologize for that, because this is not where we are supposed to be. And I'm very, very happy that now, 2025, we have a new match tomorrow. Took a long time. This is yeah.
Yes, I know any sama Blasters coach offense Otoado di tu anima. Ana pe do one sama di tu na o si mfan tu ga say ono de o jide pa o mrante de mti o de tu Ghana fo yina ni say ye yina no ye nya jidie e o mrante ni say kwambia so no o metime a deliver am o my Ghana.
Create a lot of chances and give the guys the belief, and for this I'm responsible for this for sure, but I also need you guys, I need everybody, and like I said, I really want to thank you for the support the country has given so far. I mean, the president of the country, what do we want more as our support? And the sports minister came to ensure us that he's totally behind us, and we had a lot of positive talks also with media, and really happy and looking forward for that game. And I know.
No any sama Blasters coach offense Otoado di tu anima ana pay de one sama ma mo dwumade no so se mfa tu ja say Chad de omonye team bi omu kura Chad anya big team yentie coach Otoado on Chad.
Chad is not a top team, but believe me, it's not going to be easy. And we need all the support we can get, and the boys, I mean, everyone knows that they can do it. They're showing the support. We need them. We need to create the right atmosphere, which is really in place now, for them to do the same here in Ghana. And I'm very, very happy that the pitch looks much better. This is for me the most important thing. I know maybe people who haven't played maybe don't think it's not important, but it's very, very important that we have a good pitch and the pitch is wet. And I think now we are really in a good path, and I know that we created a lot of chances and the goals will come.
Yes, I know and some Blasters coach friends Otoaro did to any man on a pay don't some more Jumadino so now Mama me bra na Chad national team no omo eba for press conference omo jide pass omo ba obe waste time now so anya be say Jumadino team ba so ntia bra na